This is a 1979 Datsun 280ZX. This is a really neat vehicle. It's an inline 6-cylinder engine with a 5-speed manual transmission. Very ahead of its time for 1979 when you look at the suspension, the ride and drive quality, the interior. This is a really neat piece. It has been repainted. It's got nice louvers here on the back window. Paint is in very good shape, as you can see here in the video. Very sporty car. It's a 2-seater hatchback. You can see the jams here are the original paint. You can see the repaint is very close to the factory color. Bucket seats, console, power windows. So I'm gonna hop in and show you what this is all about. You can see that the key light and warning beeper still work. Pretty sweet. It is a fuel injection system on this 2.8 liter inline 6 engine. You can see the odometer shows just over 66,000 miles. We believe that to be original based on the condition of the car. The Colorado title, it's in our dealership name. It does show mileage exempt, which is very common on older vehicles. The DMV, it does that all the time. But the 66,000 there is believed to be original. Engine runs really good. Love these center gauges here. That is just so cool. You got your oil pressure, your clock. This battery gauge does not work. We aren't sure why. We didn't want to go into the dash, start diagnosing it. So there you have it. That's not working. It is equipped with air conditioning, which works really well. Blows really nice and strong and cold. You can see it does have an 8-track player. That's pretty sweet. The radio does work. Turn the AC down. Now you guys saw that. 5-speed manual transmission. That's pretty sweet to have. It does have electronic mirror adjusters on both mirrors, which is also pretty advanced for 1979. That's pretty cool. You got your power windows. Those work as expected. And underneath the cover here, you can see the dash does have some cracking, very typical for this vintage era of car. Just wanted to point that out. There'll be photos of that on our website too. But the cover covers them up and it looks nice. So we left that for the next person to decide what they want to do with it. Either cap it, replace it, or live with it as is. Oh, let me show you the wiper. There's your windshield wipers, working as expected. Doors shut nice. This is a forward opening hood, which is nice. There you have it. There's your 2.8 liter inline 6 engine. It is fuel injection. You can see your AC compressor down there. Super clean under here. Everything is in really good shape. It's got the original style air filter housing. It does have power brakes. It has power steering. You can see right there. Really solid running engine. You can see just how clean everything is under here. Engine sounds really good. I believe this is an overhead cam engine, which was also advanced for its time, along with the fuel injection and everything else you see in this vehicle. Excellent body lines, super sporty. Love the dash with the 3 center gauges, just really sporty looking. So this vehicle does have a new muffler on it. The old one was just showing signs of age. It was time to go, you can see there. It also has a new brake master cylinder on it as well. Exhaust sounds nice and stock, not too loud, has a nice rumble to it. Taillights are nice and clean. And this will pop your back hatch right there. You can see here the rear hatch is nice and spacious. You can definitely fit a couple sets of golf clubs back here. Very sporty with just the 2 front seats. You can see there, that's your strut tower here in the back. That was also very advanced for 1979. The McPherson strut design, which greatly improves the suspension. See that dash again. Really clean looking dash. If you're interested in this Datsun 280ZX, please go to our website, scroll down, there's a link in the description. There you can find the price, 80 plus high resolution photos, including pictures of the undercarriage, very detailed. And if you have any more questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call. That's carsrememberwhen.com, link and phone number in the description. Thanks guys.